A big breaking news coming in this morning with regards to the Maharashtra Chief Minister, the BJP Legislative Party leader to be announced in the next 2 days. Top sources say that Ajit Pawar will continue as the Deputy CM along with Finance Ministry with the NCP. Now, Home and Revenue Department is likely to be with BJP and Urban Development and PWD ministries with the Shiv Sena. A big breaking news coming in on the Maha CM front. Some developments with the BJP Legislative Party likely to be announced in the next 2 days. In fact, we learned that Ajit Pawar will continue as the Deputy CM. Viewers, I'd like to bring in my colleague Sandeep, who's joining us live from Mumbai. Sandeep, take us through what's happening on what's the latest development really, as we've learned that Ajit Pawar will continue to be the Deputy CM, and any probables with the next CM of Maharashtra really? What's happening there?
See, things are getting a bit clear now as Ajit Pawar, Devendra Fadnavis and Eknath Shinde meet Amit Shah there in the national capital. And we are just waiting for the final announcement by Bharatiya Janata Party top brass regarding the Chief Minister phase. As far as the Chief Minister phase is concerned, it is very much clear that Devendra Fadnavis will be in fact taking that charge. But when will the Bharatiya Janata Party announce his name? That is something that we have to wait and watch out for. But yes, there is not just the Chief Minister post, but also rest of the cabinet berths that needs to be discussed. And for the same reason, yesterday, Amit Shah took a meeting with all the alliance partners, including Ajit Pawar, Eknath Shinde and Devendra Fadnavis. Definitely, urban development is the department in which Eknath Shinde had worked in the past as well. There would be PWD also. We are hearing that revenue department is something that Eknath Shinde would be eyeing on. Not only that, remember the Ladki Bahin scheme was brought under the regime of Eknath Shinde. So this department, this scheme is held by Women and Child Development. So this department is something that Eknath Shinde would be eyeing on. Not only that, if Ajit Pawar is concerned, Ajit Pawar may get finance department with the rest of the department that he had earlier had. And as far as the home department is concerned, there are chances that Eknath Shinde may bargain from Bharatiya Janata Party for the home department. But what we hear is that Bharatiya Janata Party may not give the home department to Eknath Shinde. So these are the talks that are going right now. But yes, the final announcement over the CM post, also the oath ceremony is to take place, and we are hearing that the Mahayuti wants to make a grand, event on the oath ceremony. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Amit Shah, Union Minister would be attending that very ceremony. So a proper planning needs to be done, and for the same reason, this meeting was held. Definitely, very soon from now, we could hear about the official name of the Chief Minister, in fact, would be announced by Mahayuti, and an event would also take place for the ceremony soon in Mumbai.
Sandeep, as you also mentioned, that it's not only about the CM's face, but also the cabinet reject that's likely to happen. But the key ministries such as Revenue and PW, as we learn as well, who are likely to get, like which camp is likely to get these sort of key portfolios, so to speak?
See, as far as urban development, PWD or revenue is concerned, or women or child development is concerned, these are the departments, or these are the cabinet that Eknath Shinde would be in fact wanting in his side. But ultimately, it is yet to be decided. Remember, as far as the numbers are concerned, there are just, 20 to 24 cabinet berths may go with Bharatiya Janata Party, as they are the largest, single largest party. And Eknath Shinde having 56 or 57 MLAs in Mahayuti, he may get around 10 to 12 cabinet berths. And as far as Ajit Pawar is concerned, he has to satisfy with 8 to 10 cabinet berth. So this could be the formula for a cabinet berth as of now. But yes, there are multiple such departments over which each and
Thank you,
every.
Sandeep, for those details coming in with the deadlock of the Maha CM likely to end and a cabinet reject expected also. After arresting ISKCON monk Chinmoy Das in Bangladesh, now two of his disciples have also been arrested. They were arrested while they went to the prison to give food to Chinmoy Das. Now, following this, the former Prime Minister of Bangladesh, Sheikh Hasina, has condemned the arrest of not only Chinmoy Krishna Das, but also the two disciples who have been arrested. And she has posted via the social media platform X on the party's website, on the party's account really, that they're demanding for immediate release, saying that the religious freedom and the security of life and property for all communities must be ensured. Hasina, who is the Awami League president, has also demanded punishment for those involved in the murder of a lawyer in Chattogram, saying that the unconstitutional government led by Muhammad Yunus has failed to provide security to common people. This is all through a statement that was posted in Bengali on the party's X account. The big breaking news coming in from the Bangladesh story that we've been tracking is that after ISKCON monk and prominent Hindu leader Chinmoy Das was arrested, now we learn that two disciples of his have also been arrested. And do note, viewers, they were arrested when they went to the prison to deliver food to the jailed leader. In fact, Bangladesh's deposed Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina has also condemned the arrest of the Hindu leader Chinmoy Krishna Das, who has been arrested on charges of sedition, and demanded his immediate release, saying that the religious freedom and the security of life and property for all communities must be ensured. In fact, Hasina, who is the Awami League president, has also demanded punishment for those involved in the murder of the lawyer in Chattogram. She stated that it is an unconstitutional government led by Muhammad Yunus who has failed to provide security to common people. All this via a statement in Bengali that was posted on the party's X account. A major upset for the Bangladesh human rights after Chinmoy Das, two of his disciples have been arrested. All this while they were in the prison to deliver food to the jailed leader. Now, following this, Sheikh Hasina, the former Prime Minister of Bangladesh, has condemned the attack on social media platform, calling for the immediate release of Chinmoy Das and the two disciples as well, while highlighting the Muhammad-led government, which is being questioned globally for the human rights violation and for curtailing the religious rights of the minorities in the country of Bangladesh. Viewers, I'd like to invite Prashant Kumar Sheel, who is a journalist and a political analyst who's joining us live. Prashant, tell us what's happening there, because after Chinmoy Das, now two of his disciples, who merely went to the prison to deliver food, seem to be arrested. What's happening there?
Okay, it's a very so much pathetical issues for Bangladeshis, Sanatanis and Hindus also, because Chinmoy Krishna Das Prabhuji is a very spokesperson from who is a vital Hindus in Bangladesh, and also he's a very spokesperson for the underground people who are not to speak out in the front line. So that's why that's a concerning issue for the Chinmoy Krishna Das, and his arrest in a jail is a false allegation case. And you know that government has, I thank to the government, interim government, in the part of this, because they want to ban, they want to, some extremist parties, they have been praised that they have been to ban the ISKCON. But the interim government is not decided yet to ban the ISKCON. That's the issues. They want to realize the ground realities of Hindus, because there is a very sophisticated mind and part of the love in ISKCON. Basically, ISKCON is the organizations to deliver their organizations from the Harinam and Krishna Nam, and also the devotions of love and Lord Krishna and chanting in Harinam. So that's why the people have very sophisticated religious background and religious mind about in ISKCON. So that's why you can't control and can't adopt it in ISKCON anyhow, because there is a people-to-people reaction, because there is a very pulse reactions from the society, and that's why I think the government have very correctly taken this decision, because these are discrimination issues from Hindu and Muslims and minority and majority issues, and they can realize in that the gaps. And also we have to focus on that. Who is the leader of Hindu separations? Who is the leader of the Hindus? Actually, the mythologically in the part of in the present time in Sanatan Jagaran months. And that why we have a very sophisticated the people who are doing very root level. They have a very good mind and want to see what the face of Chinmay Krishnadas Prabhu